Welcome back, my dear kids. Today we are going for GA class, book number 3, and our subject is GA. My home. See, last time we have gone through the my home. So, what are there in my home? Window, roof, wall, lawn, fence, path, pavement, garage, car, door. So, inside the room, what we have? We have rooms. Living room, bedroom, kitchen, bathroom. Previous class, we have been through this living room. So many things are there. Today, we will go for bedroom. We sleep in our bedroom. What we do? We sleep in our bedroom. So, what is important in our bedroom? First is our bed. Bed, pillow, bed sheet. Yes. In bedroom, these things are there always with us. So, bedroom, we have bed, pillow, bed sheet. Other things also we are having. What is that? Mirror, cupboard, alarm clock, mat, shelf, window, air conditioner, curtain, computer, chair, and slippers. Yes, slippers. We need slippers. Once again, we will go for it. Mirror, cupboard, alarm clock, mat, shelf, air conditioner, window, curtain, computer, chair, bed, pillow, bed sheet, slipper. Next comes this we have been through. What are the few things we do in a living room? We watch TV and read books. Next, a few things we do in a bedroom. What are the things we do in a bedroom? That are, we sleep in our bedroom and we do our work in our bedroom. Use of computer. Practice paper. Come, my dear students. Look at the picture. Tick what you do in a living room. See, what do you do in a living room? Do you play or watch computer? No, you do it in bedroom. You watch TV, so you have to put a tick. You watch TV in a living room. See, it is living room. Next, look at the picture. Cross. What you don't do in a bedroom? What you don't do in a bedroom? Do you sleep in a bedroom? Yes, we sleep in a bedroom. So put a tick. And do you play in a bedroom? No, we don't play. So put a cross mark. We play in the garden. We play in the park. We play where our mummy says to play, but not in the bedroom. Okay, so put a cross. Next comes kitchen. In our home, we have a kitchen. Kitchen. Without kitchen, where we will cook our food? कहाँ पे रसोई करेंगे? खाना कैसे खाएंगे? So kitchen is important. In kitchen, what do we have? We have plate, bowl, chimney, cabinet, gas stove, container. In containers, we keep masala, haldi, and turmeric. Other things we keep in this. Mummy keeps oven, towel, drawer, floor, cupboard, tap, sink, microwave, refrigerator, and toaster. Once again, we will go for it. Kitchen. Plate, bowl, chimney, cabinet, gas stove, container, oven, towel, drawer, floor, cupboard, tap, sink, microwave, toaster, and refrigerator. Turn the page, my dear students. Bathroom. See, bathroom. What do we do in our bathroom? We wash our face. We brush our teeth. We take bath. So, in a bathroom, what do we have? We have a mirror, toothpaste, toothbrush, shampoo, sink, soap, cabinet, bucket, mug, tissue paper, window, light, flush tank, commode, bathtub, towel, tap, and floor. Yes, we have a floor. Once again, mirror, toothpaste, toothbrush, shampoo, sink, soap, cabinet, bucket, mug, tissue paper, window, flush tank, commode, bathtub, towel, tap, light. Turn the page. A few things we do in kitchen are: parent cooks food, help mother in her work. In kitchen we do these things. Mummy cooks food, parent cook food, and we sometimes help our mummy in doing her work. Few things we do in a bathroom. What are they? Brush teeth, take bath. Brush teeth, take bath. Look at the picture. Practice paper, my dear students. Look at the picture. Tick. What you do in a bathroom? See, do you help your mummy in work in bathroom? No. We take bath. We take bath. Put a tick. Look at the picture. Cross. What you don't do in a kitchen? See, what are the things you don't do in a kitchen? Do you sleep in a kitchen? No. So we have to cross it. We don't sleep in a kitchen. हम रसोई घर पे सोते नहीं हैं. Here what you are doing? Parent, mummy is cooking food and this small girl is eating her food. So this we are doing in kitchen. Put a tick mark or leave it. This is the kitchen work. So we do this thing. We don't do this thing in our kitchen. Thank you, my dear students. Thank you. Next class we will go for my family. Thank you. Now come for the notebook work. See, I mentioned the date here. This your mama has to write, but you have to learn this. We are going to have our exams. We will call you and ask you questions. So be prepared for it. Name 5 things you find in a bedroom. See, I have mentioned the title bedroom. So what are the things we find in a bedroom? You can mention the things what you see in your bedroom. No problem. I have mentioned this one. So what are they? Bed, pillow, mirror, shelf, cupboard. Once again, bed, pillow, mirror, shelf, cupboard. Mention the few things we do in our bedroom. What are the things we do in a bedroom? We sleep and do our work. Some works are there. Now it is lockdown. Your mommy, your papa might be doing their work in your bedroom. So sleep and work. Next, kitchen. Only one question is there. This also your mama has to write and you have to learn. One question is there. Say, name 5 things we see in a kitchen. What are the things we see? That are plate, chimney, gas stove, tap, drawer. Plate, chimney, gas stove, tap, drawer. Bathroom. Name 5 things we find in a bathroom. What are the things we see in our bathroom? That are soap, shampoo, toothpaste, toothbrush, bucket, soap, shampoo, toothpaste, toothbrush, bucket. Name the few things we do in a bathroom. What are the things we do in our bathroom? We brush our teeth. We take baths. 2 things we do. Others are there, but what is in your book that I am mentioning you? Brush teeth, take bath. Paste and draw pictures of any 5 objects you find in bedroom, kitchen and bathroom. See, 5 pictures you have to paste. Only 5 pictures of a kitchen. You can paste 2 pictures of kitchens, 2 picture of bathroom, 2 pictures of bedroom, what the objects which you see. You can put mirror, one mirror. It is enough for bedroom and bathroom. So you can put that one. So this type of things, only 5 things in these rooms. From here you can put 2, this one from 2, this one 1. You can do this. Only 5 pictures from all of the 3. Next comes, see, paste the cover of your soap and toothpaste. What are the things you are using? Soap you are using, what toothpaste you are using, you have to paste that one. See, a soap you can paste. One is bathing soap is there, another one washing soap is there. We wash our clothes, that one you can Rin, Surf Excel, so many things are there. So many soaps are there for washing. So you can put here bathing and washing, then toothpaste cover. Make a small piece and paste it so that it can stain one paper. Thank you. Do it. I am waiting for you, my dear kids. Thank you.